reading is boring. That too in English. Oh my God. When I started reading my reading journey, two things would happen. Reading books always put me to sleep. And number two, books would always give me a headache because again and again, after reading again and again the same sentence, I would not still comprehend the meaning of that sentence. And now you can see, not only I can speak, I can read whatever is written in the book, I can speak fluently because English has improved my sentence formation skills thanks to English. And this can happen with you. Yes, dear audience, it can happen with you. Welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub and welcome my YouTube family to your own channel. So let's start our video. So if you are a beginner, take a book of your interest that you can't put it down until you read it in its entirety. In this video, I would give you 5 genres of books and then a bonus tip. There are top 5 genres of books that helped me a lot in my journey of developing reading habit, and I hope that these would help you a lot. First of all, the first genre of books which I recommend you is comic books. Yes, dear audience, comic books. Just remember, in your school days, what will you do? What would you do? You just look back the pages that were full of photos and pictures, because pictures and photos make boring text interesting ones. This is the same logic. If you want to start and if you want to inculcate the reading habit in you, you have to start with the comic book. You have to start with the book full of photos, full of pictures, that you can't let them down until you read them in its entirety. I started my journey with Tinkle. Yes, dear audience, maybe because of the bright colors of Tinkle, maybe the characters of Pandya and Chacha Chaudhary, but these were full of pictures and photos, and they always kept me in hold. And if you want to start your journey, start it with Tinkle. And you can download Tinkle magazine and Tinkle digest from Amazon. Next category which we should move forward is mystery novels. Yes, dear audience, after comic books, you have to move towards mystery novels. Yes, mystery novels. And tell me one thing. If you have these two kind of books, one bigger and the other small, which one would you pick? Of course, the small one, because the small book give you an easy task. And if after completion of easy task, it will give you the confidence. Same with the small book. So if you are a beginner, take with the small book. And here I would recommend you 3 book series. Number 1, Nancy Drew. Number 2, Hardy Boys. Number 3, of course, my favorite, Goosebumps. Because mystery novels always keep me in hold. And we are always curious to know what happened next at the next page. And for this curiosity, we end up finishing the whole novel. And this is how I started. And this is how you can inculcate, you can develop the habit of reading. Next, after mystery novels, romantic and love stories. And you are maybe thinking that why I recommend love stories or romantic stories. Yes, because romantic stories and love stories are full of emotions. And in our real life, we can't express our thoughts, we can't express our emotions freely. So these romantic and love stories are the best medium of expressing our emotions. We can assimilate our emotions with the emotions of the characters. This is called catharsis in literature. This is the best way. And here I recommend two romantic stories. The Fault in Our Stars. Number 2, Twilight. And dear audience, don't judge the book by its cover. First read the first novel and then decide you are going to read the second or the third novel of this author. And next, fourth genre of book is biographies. Biographies. And what are biographies? Biographies are the life stories of the achievers and losers. And believe me that we are inspired by the struggles, we are inspired by the failures, we are inspired by how they struggled hard, even after despair, even after despondent, even after losing everything. And for biographies, I would highly recommend you Born a Crime. Number 1, Born a Crime. Number 2, Elon Musk. Why? These are simple and these are inspirational. And so I highly recommend you to read these two biographies. Elon Musk and the second one, so that you can get inspirational and don't let you down. And now we are moving towards the number 5th genre of books, non-fiction books, non-fiction novels. And these 5 books, trust me dear audience, they would never let you down. They would never disappoint you. Number 1, 1,000 Bright Suns. Number 1, 1,000 Bright Suns. Number 2, Alchemist. Alchemist. Number 3, White Tigers. White Tigers. Number 4, Deception Point. Number 5, Harry Potter. Yes, these are 5 non-fiction books. Now comes to the bonus tip. I am going to share my bonus tip here. And remember dear audience, 80% of our grammar books are very important to improve your grammar, but 80% of our knowledge, of our grammar knowledge, come from non-grammar books. So whenever you read a book and you like a sentence, at first sight, say it aloud 3 times and write it down in your notebook. Whenever you read that book or that notebook, read that sentence and try to use it in your daily life. And in this way, this sentence will be added into your vocabulary and added into your segment of mind, and you will utilize it in your daily life. This is the bonus of today's tip, and hope you have understood and enjoyed the whole process of reading the books and how we can inculcate this habit of reading. So kindly share, subscribe the channel. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.